Yes, you are welcome back to this training on Amazon KDP publishing using your phone. In the previous video, I told you to download some tools which are Kiwi Browser and Google Docs. This is how the tools will look like, these two. So these are the tools that I told you to download on Google Play Store. The Kiwi Browser, we use it as a browser, while the doc is, we use the doc as in place of Microsoft Word, if you know what that means. So the first thing you have to do when you want to start your Amazon KDP publishing business is for you to create an account on Amazon KDP. You create an account on Amazon KDP, then if you already have an account there, and when you make sales, you want to withdraw your money, but you can't withdraw directly into your bank account in Nigeria here. You have to withdraw, they pay in dollars, so you withdraw to an account in US bank. So how do you get an account in the USA bank? Don't be scared. You don't have to go to USA to get an account before you can do it, and you don't have to call someone there to do it for you. You can actually get a US bank account on your phone. So I'll be showing you the two steps. The first one, which is to create an account on KDP, while the second one is to get how you can get a US bank account. So let's go to our Kiwi browser. This is how Kiwi browser looks like. This is the home page of the Kiwi browser. This is how it looks like. So I want you to go to the top right side where there is three dots. Click on the three dots, then come down. You see this desktop site, where there is desktop site. If it is not marked, tick it and make it desktop site. The reason why you are making it a desktop site is you want it to look exactly like you are using a laptop. So if you click on desktop site, it will look as if you are using a laptop. Let me show you. Just let me type woman now. Woman. You see how the thing came up? It came up as if I'm using a laptop. That's how desktop mode works. But let me change it. Let me remove it from desktop mode, and you will see what I'm saying. You see how it come out now? It come out in phone format. That's why I said you should use Kiwi browser. I know Google Chrome too can do that, but there are some aspects of Google Chrome that doesn't work with KDP publishing. That's why I said you should use Kiwi browser. So let me return it back to desktop site. So it's on desktop site now. Let me remove this one. Then go to your browser, Chrome browser, and type kdp.amazon.com. kdp.amazon.com. This is it. You see, it's telling me to sign in here because I already have an account login on this platform. That's why it's telling me to sign in. But if you are logging in for the first time, you won't see this. Don't panic. This is what you will do. Let me sign out and you see what it will be there. So this is what you will see if you are just getting on. If you don't have an account on Amazon, you don't have to open a new account if you already have an account. If you have an account already, you can skip this process. Don't open a new account if you already have an account, because Amazon frown on people having two accounts on their platform. They might ban you, and you won't be able to open a new account again. That's how you miss this opportunity. So if you already have an account, I will advise you not to open a new one. But if you don't, just go to this don't have an amazing Amazon account, sign up. Click on the sign up button where you will be taken to a platform to sign up. He's telling me to sign it because he knows I have an an account already. So if you are saying this stuff, just go to the lowest down, then click on create your KDP account. So this is it. This is it. Just follow the prompts. It's asking my name, email, password. Then I should enter my password to have create my KDP account. I don't want to create a new account because I already have one, and I don't want to have two accounts so I don't get banned. So I advise you to put your name, your email account, email address, your password, then you enter your password again, then create your KDP account. And make sure you input your correct details, put your data, email address, everything, because this is not a fraud. It is a real business, so you don't have to be afraid of your data being exposed. And the second reason is Amazon will want to confirm if you are a real person or not. So they will send you an email which you have to verify that you are real. So if you use an email that is not genuine, you won't see the message, and that's it. And make sure you use a phone number, because when you create your KDP account, you still have to put your profile details where you put your phone number in that place. So put your real phone number, because Amazon will also send an SMS to your phone, to your number you provided on the platform, to confirm if you are a person or a robot. So put every details, then create your account. So the next step I want to show you is how you can create a US bank account online yourself without stress. I'll open a new browser. Then I will type in gray dot co gray.co. Actually, there are two platforms that I know that you can get a US bank account, but I'll use this one. That's why I'm recommending this one. But I will talk about the second one too. If you want, you can do it. So here it's telling me to sign in because I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you will see sign up there, and when you do, or you can just come to this place, foreign account for Africans. Just click on get started. Then you want to confirm the email you want to use. For registration. You just put every details here, just like I said before. Put everything. Make sure your details are correct. Your ID, valid ID, your full name, surname as it appear on your valid ID card. Your email, your phone number. Put everything there, and make sure your date of birth is correct. So just like Amazon, this tool does not allow you to have two accounts on their platform. So make sure you do the right thing so that they can approve your account. So I won't want to put any details here. You just follow the prompts as they come. I know you know how to fill an online form. Just do it. And within 5 working days, you get your bank account, a US dollar bank account that you can use on Amazon to receive payments. So the second method that you can use to create a US bank account is through Payoneer. I don't know, maybe you've heard of it, but Payoneer too is a very, very good method which you can use to create a new US dollar account. Just go to Payoneer.com on your Google browser. Go to Payoneer.com on your Google browser. It's loading, and when this is how the platforms look like. It's still loading. Don't know why my network is slow. Okay, it has loaded. Just click on the get started that is in red. Is it red? Yeah, that is in red. Click on the get started. It will bring you another option that who are you? Then you said I'm an individual. Click on the last, let me zoom it so that I can see. It's asking, are you a freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental? Just click on an individual. Click on an individual. Then what do you want to do? I want to get paid by international clients or marketplace. Click on it. Then to ask you to register, just click on the register. Click on the register. It take you to another place where you will fill your details. So all you have to do here is fill in your details as usual, and make sure you fill in your correct details, because they will confirm your details if it is genuine or not. And make sure your date of birth on your certificate correlates with the one you are putting here. If they should check that your date of birth is different, they won't approve your account, and they will tell you to be providing documentation. They can ask you for national ID card, passport, or voter's card. So you have to provide those documentation if your date of birth is different from the one you first submitted. So just go to the link and go to the link, input your details, and just like grade.com, your account will be provided within 5 working days if approved. So that's how you generate a bank account on Payoneer that you use to receive payments on Amazon. Just as simple as that. So in the next video, I will show you the next step you have to follow for your Amazon KDP publishing. I hope you are following this procedure, this step. If you follow the procedure I'm showing you, everything will be very easy for you. It's very easy to understand. Just follow the procedure. So see you in the next video where I will be showing you the next step.